Hi guys, this is Wana from the Telbearer, and today we have an unboxing. So first let me just tell you a bit of the story. A couple of months ago, somewhere in May, if I remember well, Danny from Doll in Mind sent an email with the last chance to order some of his most famous sculpts. And well, I took advantage and ordered two of them. So yes, they are here. Ta-da! Here are the two certificates. Oh, you guys, I'm so happy. And this is one of them and the other one. So let's just unpack them and try to be as careful as possible. I don't want to damage any of them. There's one. So I ordered Laia and Larina. They're gorgeous. Oh, I'm so excited to paint them. I was maybe thinking of having a brother and sister, a boy and a girl, but I'm not entirely sure. They are very beautiful, both of girls or boys. I will have to rethink that and see what bodies I will order for them. I do not have those yet. Okay, for now I would just like to try the heads on the bodies that I already have, which is a Dream Valley of 60 centimeters and my MU Delia MSD size, and see how they look. Unfortunately, there's no marking inside. I don't know if this was the case with the initial sculpts. But for now, this is what I can see. I have my 60 centimeters Chaillot here, and we'll see how the heads can fit. They are pretty big for MSDs, to be honest. I think they would fit really well on an SD body as well. To pull it through. However, let's just make a test like this, out of curiosity. Yeah, maybe not. Maybe it's not such a good idea. Okay, so next in line is my MU Delia. She is an MSD. We'll see how the heads will fit. Definitely the color is not a best match. Doll in Mind heads are a bit more pinkish, but we'll see. it's actually a really good fit. It's just my impression that the heads are big. They are not. Okay. Okay, I have to get used to this. But we do have movement. I'm so happy. So yeah, I will see about my new dolly order, and I think it will be 2 bodies for these 2 pretty heads. Thank you for watching. Bye.